Hey, it's Kevin McCarthy, and welcome to another day in real estate. So, I want to help get you savvy on how to prepare your house for sale. There's a lot of things that we do on a regular basis. I have a system of running through, taking care of things, and just making sure that it's all turnkey. If you're trying to do this yourself, one of the things that you want to make sure and do here is check your lighting. I've gone through so many houses, and one that we did last week, I replaced close to 60 light bulbs in that house. 59 light bulbs. Crazy, crazy amount of light bulbs in that house. But as you can see in this bathroom, this is one of my pet peeves here. You've got a daylight bulb and a soft light bulb, and two bulbs that are out in this fixture. I can't tell you how many times I see real estate photography online looking at a house, and this is what you see in the picture. All they needed to do was take a few minutes, get a cheap box of soft white bulbs, and preferably the soft white LED bulbs, and just put them everywhere. Get rid of the daylight bulbs, because whether you like them or you don't like them, they do not picture as well in professional photography as the soft white bulbs. So go through and change everything out, the entire house, make sure it's all buttoned up with soft white bulbs. You may also find some fixtures that aren't quite in place for the space too. And although, if you're a short person and this doesn't bother you, that's great. But you may have somebody come in here that's 6'2" or 6'3" and knocks their head on something like this in the hallway. So this one, we're going to remove it, and we're going to put some flush mount fixtures in there. They sell these couple of packs of LED flush mount fixtures that are very quick and clip in place and will replace this without, you can do it yourself with a short ladder, get up there and just replace that fixture. And this one, feel free to take it with you to your next house if you like it. But let's not make it something that's odd or something that's going to be a head knocker for someone. Again, in here in the dining room, you can see we've got some of those daylight bulbs that are really bright in here. And like I said, I like the daylight bulbs in some uses, but when you're doing the professional photography, they just don't look great in professional photography because they're trying to brighten up the space in the way that they take the photos in order to capture the light in a space. The soft light bulbs just work so much better. So we're going to change this all out as well with some soft white bulbs. So for other tips on getting your house ready for sale, feel free to reach out to me. I am an open book. I am happy to give you any information or help you in any way. I want you to be savvy and completely understand the process. And I'm open to having a conversation anytime. So I'm Kevin McCarthy. It's another day in real estate. Peace.